Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Chain propagation steps are steps in which a radical reacts with a stable molecule to produce a new radical and a new stable molecule. The radical is consumed but another radical is regenerated, allowing the chain to continue. Step-by-step analysis. Step 1. Cl2- to Cl. This is an initiation step. A stable molecule, Cl2, is split into two radicals by UV light heat. No radical is consumed to produce another radical. This is not propagation. Step 2. Cl plus CH4- CH3Cl plus H. This is incorrect chemistry for direct free radical chlorination. Cl does not abstract H from CH4 to give CH3Cl directly in one step. This is not a recognized propagation step in the standard mechanism. Step 3. Cl plus CH4- CH3 plus HCl. This is a propagation step. A chlorine radical abstracts a hydrogen atom from methane, producing a methyl radical, new radical, and HCl, stable molecule. A radical is consumed and a new radical is generated. Step 4. H plus Cl2- HCl plus Cl. Although this could regenerate a radical, step 2. Producing H is not part of the standard mechanism, so step 4 is not part of the standard propagation cycle. Step 5. CH3 plus Cl2- CH3Cl plus Cl. This is a propagation step. The methyl radical reacts with Cl2 to produce chloromethane, stable molecule, and a chlorine radical, new radical. A radical is consumed and a new radical is generated. The standard propagation cycle in free radical chlorination of methane consists of: Step 3. Cl plus CH4- CH3 plus HCl. Step 5. CH3 plus Cl2- CH3Cl plus Cl. These two steps together form a cycle. Cl generates CH3 and CH3 regenerates Cl, allowing the chain to propagate. Steps 2 and 4 together form an alternative non-standard cycle and are not part of the accepted mechanism. Step 1 is initiation only. Why other options fail? A. 2, 3, 5 includes step 2, which is not a valid propagation step in the standard mechanism. B. 1, 3, 6 includes step 1, initiation, and step 6, not listed, does not exist. D. 2, 3, 4 includes steps 2 and 4, which are not standard propagation steps. Only option C. 3, 5 correctly identifies the two chain propagation steps. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.